orange lines, 1 hour BBMs, where price goes to with certain signals, you know. And again, yesterday, Hans, I spoke about this. I drew this out yesterday, the BB band and the GJ. I said these are going to drop because of weekly BB bands, right? And look at the 8-hour time frame, Hans. Look, this is crystal clear, and this happens all the time. Went to the 8-hour orange line, bounced, and then come down and broke the 8-hour BB band. Right, look at the UJ. Actually went further down, but then look there, bounced, and then same again down there. Okay, so if you want to do LT trading, the easiest way to do it is look for something on the weekly. Look for a weekly orange line or a weekly BB band and a blue. That signal there, red, yellow, pink, it might even have a blue behind it, or it could have been a blue, Hans, on the 8-hour. I can't recall, same here on the GJ. Looks pink and a yellow. It could have been a blue to start with, and then they change. Right, so that is all you need to do for LT trading. Look there, get a blue. Okay, look at this off the orange line here. There, right, where did it come back? It pulled back to the daily orange line. Look at that there. Right, you had that signal. Right, you had your weekly orange line bounce down there to the daily orange line. Get back in because you know it's going to the BB band. There, right, bang, there was your LT trade. There, same on the UJ. There, look, you knew once that bounces out the way, the bounce there, that it's going to bounce again with the weekly signals to the BB band. Okay, and that's exactly what it did. Right, and I'm not, you know what, Hans, right, guys, if you just did this and said, right, well, I'll just, I know this is going down, and said to yourself, right, I'll have a 50 pip TP on it, right? I swear to God, right, those were easy 50 pippers, easy, easy 50 pips while you're asleep for a lot of you. Right there, right, and you've got a signal there, Sarge, right? You're looking, you can't see it on the 8-hour, right? So I'll show you on the 4-hour, right? Sell stop there. Okay, your trade's won there. See it? Your trade's won there. Just hang on. So it's won on my account. Oh, I think is that GU? Just let me check, guys. Yep, GU. Just won. That's how easy LT trading is. It's just, and you say to yourself, right, it's a weekly orange line or a weekly BB band. I've got definite 50 pips here if I get a blue. That's it. And like Igor, remember what Igor's done this week, and I think Lambo did it as well on this. He saw these signals here and he went that way. Went up, So it is that simple to make 50 pips doing that, the LT trades.